Hope everything is fine at your end. You are enjoying along with your parents, making most possible use of the time that you have got. My dear students, we the teachers and my professors, along with all the non-teaching staff, want to know how you are. And I am very sure that you are busy studying because your exams are not yet over and no one have told you that the exams are cancelled. So I am here to tell you, use this time with the best possible manner to study nicely so that you can score best. The score should be the best in your academic career because you have got so much period to study. Similarly, dear students, you can contact Sheikh Sir for any difficulties and doubts so that Sheikh Sir can arrange the lectures from our teachers and the teachers can help you by giving lectures online. Make maximum use of this time. Help your parents, be at home, be safe. See to it that you study properly. There should not be any problem, hindrance coming in between your studies because life is going to be wonderful after this crucial period. All the best for everything that you do. Be sure that India is going to be new India post coronavirus effect. Thank you. God bless you.
Hello everyone, this is Sheikh sir. I hope you, your family, your brothers and sisters are safe at home. And my dear student, we have seen that we are going through a very tough situation. So hopefully we'll come out of this situation very soon and we miss you a lot and college is also missing you a lot. Hope we'll see you very soon. Whenever you go out of the house, wear the mask and maintain safe social distancing. Thank you very
Hello
much.
all, it's Hina ma'am. Hope you all of you are doing well. As you can see, I'm wearing the mask. So do I expect that please wear the mask whenever you go out. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.
आई एम हार्दिक मजीठिया। आई होप आप सब लोग अपने अपने घर में सेफ़ रहेंगे अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ। प्लीज़ जब तक ज़रूरी ना हो तब तक आप अपने घर से बाहर ना निकलें, और अगर आप निकल रहे हैं तो पूरी सेफ्टी के साथ निकलिए। मुंह पे मास्क लगाइए, बाहर कोई भी अनजान चीज़ को ना छुओ। घर आके अपने हाथ और पाँव अच्छे से साबुन से धोइए। इस क्वारंटाइन के टाइम में मैं आपको 2 लाइन सुनाना चाहता हूँ। मौत के समुंदर को तैर कर जाना है, मंजिल जो भी हो इन सैलाबों में सांसों की कश्ती किनारे पर लाना है। ईश्वर कह रहा है भारतवर्ष की आवाम से, एक लगन से तो कोशिश तो कर, इस विषाणु के जंग में हमें जीत ही जाना है। बी सेफ, स्टे एट होम। थैंक यू।
Students, this is Amit sir. Hope everybody is fine and well at your home and healthy as well. As you can see, the situation outside due to COVID-19 is very critical. So I may request you all the students, please be where you are, stay at home, stay safe, and if it is very necessary or important to move out, to go out, then only you go out from your home. And I may also request you to all to wear your mask whenever you are going out. Please wear a mask, maintain social distancing and
I
hygiene.
request all the students to kindly be at home and be safe. Stay at home and stay safe. Wear your mask and clean your hands with any sanitizer or normal soaps. Don't come out of the house for unnecessary reason. Be safe at home only to fight against coronavirus COVID-19.
Pranjanam is here. Hope you and your family are safe and doing well. We are missing you all. I just want to tell you that don't worry, everything will be fine soon. God is great all the time. Be happy and make your family happy. This is the perfect time which God has given to us. Wherever you go out of the home, kindly wear like this homemade mask and wash it every day. Take the time to relax, exercise, eat healthy, cooking a healthy meal together with your parents, and indulge in some self care. We will meet soon. Be at home and take care.
This
God
side
bless
Sana
you.
Sheikh. I hope you and your family members are in sound health during this lockdown period. I know it's a very difficult time each one of us has been facing. I wish and I pray that all our sufferings come to an end as soon as possible. I would even like to request as well as remind you that precaution is better than cure. So let's follow certain precautionary methods. Let us follow social distancing, use proper sanitization method, leave your home only when it's very important, and each time you leave your home, do wear a mask. Let's hope to meet you soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.
Hello everyone. I hope all are doing good. During this COVID times, do follow government guidelines. Wear mask whenever you move out of your house. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. We'll meet
Hello
soon.
everyone, Siddhi Miss is here. Hope you all are fine and safe in your home. As we know, the due to the COVID-19 situations is scary outside. So be safe at home, and if you people go outside, wear the mask. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.
Myself, Professor Conceição de Souza. Hope you and your family are doing well. We all know the current situation the people are facing because of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has affected the entire world. I urge you all to remain safe indoors. Do not step out of your house unless it is very urgent. Wear a proper mask, wash hands regularly, and maintain social distancing. Engage in household activities, in reading good books, and take care of yourself. See you soon. God bless you all. Thank you.
Everyone, how are you all? This is Shefali Surani. I hope आप, आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स और आपके फ्रेंड्स सब अच्छे होंगे. This is the time to pray for all the people out there. हम सबको प्रे करना चाहिए कि हम सब खुश रहे, हेल्दी रहे और वापस जल्दी से कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो जाए और हम सब आए और मिले. लेकिन उसके लिए अभी हमें कुछ नियमों का पालन करना होगा. आप सब प्लीज़ घर से बाहर मत जाइए, घर पर ही रहिए और जाना अगर बहुत ज़रूरी है तो मास्क पहन के जाइए. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन कीजिए. God is great. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi students, this is Arpita Miss. Hope you all are safe at your home. As you aware that entire world going through difficult time due to COVID-19. So requesting all of you to stay at home and whenever going out, always wear masks.
Dear student, I'm Aparna. Hope you all safe and feeling hopeful in this pandemic situation. I would suggest take all necessary precautions provided by government. Stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye.
Hello to all my dear students. This is Lokesh sir. I hope you all are safe at your place. We all professors and management team are missing you a lot, and I hope that we will meet you soon. Take care of yourself and your family members, and don't go outside of your home, and if feel necessary then wear a mask and then go. Thank you so much.
हाय एवरीवन, मैं डॉक्टर आदिल. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब अपने घर पर महफूज हैं. आपसे मैं दो बातें कहना चाहता हूँ. पहली कि कोशिश करिए कि आपको घर से बाहर ना निकलना पड़े. बहुत 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 ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो तो आप बाहर निकलें, और बाहर जब निकलें तो उस वक्त ध्यान रखें कि आप मास्क पहन कर निकलें, और अपने आप को जब दोबारा घर जब रिटर्न जाएं तो आप सैनिटाइज करें अपने आप को ठीक से. आपका और आपके पूरे परिवार का बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखें, क्योंकि हम एक ऐसे दुश्मन से लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं जिसे हम देख नहीं सकते.
मैं श्री सर बोल रहा हूँ. मैं घर में सुरक्षित हूँ. आप भी अपने घर में सुरक्षित रहेंगे, यही मेरा उम्मीद है. आप ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम में बाहर घूमने मत जाइए. अगर एसेंशियल्स के लिए बाहर जाना पड़े तो आप हाथ में हैंड सैनिटाइज़र लेके मास्क पहन के फिर बाहर जाइए। बाहर जाके आने के बाद हाथ पैर धो के फिर बाद में घर में अंदर जाइए। और आपके घर के एल्डर्स को और चिल्ड्रन को बहुत ही केयर करिए और विदाउट रीज़न आप बाहर घूमने नहीं जाइए। इस कोरोना वायरस से हम लोग डेफिनेटली बाहर निकलेंगे। हम आपके लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं, आप हमारे लिए करिए। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। थैंक यू
Everyone, I hope you all are doing good. During this COVID times, I hope you all are following the guidelines which are mentioned by the government. Please take care of your family, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and hope to meet you all.
हेलो बच्चों, मैं जयराम बोल रहा हूँ। कोरोना वायरस की वजह से कॉलेज बंद हो कि 1 महीना हो गया। आप लोग की बहुत याद आ रही है। आप जहाँ भी हो अच्छे रहिए, अच्छे से रहिए और आपका माता पिताजी का कहना मानिए। घर से बाहर निकलिए तो मास्क पहन के निकलिए और कॉलेज चालू होगा तो आप उनसे मिलेंगे। ठीक है, धन्यवाद।